Baba.
Is your cup empty, Charlotte?
La.
Charlotte. Woof. Good girl. Charlotte. Meow. Meow. Oh, nice burp. Good meowing. Can you say juice? Juice? Yeah, your cup's empty. It had juice in it, but can you say juice?
It's this that I want.
Num num is also correct, but can you say juice?
This was nummy when I had it before.
Oh, yes. Thank you. There's still juice in there. Let's pan to Daddy. Daddy, what are you making for us?
Taters.
What? Can you quack? Quack, 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 quack. Can you say moo? We just woof like a dog. Woof, 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 woof. All right, say goodbye. Bye-bye, see you later. Nice waving. That's so good. Bye-bye, see you later. Bye-bye, see you later. One more wave, please. Think about it. Okay. All right, bye-bye.